Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Trading 212. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Trading 212 app and make sure you're signed into your account. Before you can withdraw money, you need to make sure the funds you want to withdraw are available as cash. If you've invested your money in stocks or other assets, you may need to sell those investments first. To sell an investment, open the investment section and find the stock or asset you want to sell. Tap on it to open the investment details, then select the option to sell. Enter the amount or quantity you want to sell, review the order and confirm it. After the sale has been completed and the funds become available as cash, you can proceed with the withdrawal. Keep in mind that the money may not become immediately available for withdrawal in every situation, so allow any required processing or settlement time. Now go back to your main Trading 212 screen and locate the section showing your available cash balance. From here, select the withdraw option to start transferring your money out of the platform. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure the amount doesn't exceed your available cash balance. Then select the eligible bank account or payment method that you want to use for receiving the funds. Before submitting the request, carefully review all the details. Check the withdrawal amount and make sure you've selected the correct destination for your money. Once everything looks right, confirm the withdrawal request. Trading 212 will then process your withdrawal and the funds will be sent to your selected bank account. The time it takes for the money to arrive can vary depending on the payment method and your bank. And that's it. So that's all for this video.